Hey folks, welcome to my channel Money Me. I do appreciate you guys taking the time to check out my channel. If you could do me a favor and like and subscribe. This is my channel on YouTube. This channel is all about money, such as real estate, credit cards, stocks, options, taxes. This is a financial education experience channel, not investment advice. I got experience in stock trading, option trading, 401k, IRA, real estate, has been a homeowner and also a landlord in businesses, e-commerce, restaurant, franchise, and handyman, and flipping items to sell. So if you guys could do me a favor, please like and subscribe and help me get to 1,000 subs. I'd greatly appreciate it. When we get to 1,000 subs, we are going to give away to one of our viewers a stock. So our videos, our personal views and our opinions are intended strictly for information, educational, and entertainment purposes. We do not provide investment advice or investment strategy. Just strictly experience and basically a channel for the everyday common man, I want to say. So if you guys could check out my channel, I'd greatly appreciate it. We're trying to make weekly content, and as the channel grows more, we'll put out more content. So check out some of my latest video, and I do appreciate it. We'll see you again. Bye.